So it says ouma het vir haar kleinkinders 'n storie gelees. So het and ge is telling us that this sentence is in the past tense or in die verlede tyd. Okay? So what we need to do now is that we need to put sal here in the place of het, and we need to remove the ge because we don't need it. Okay, that's the one way of doing it, and that's if you're a little bit more advanced. If you're not, I would suggest that you take it back to the present tense, teenwoordige tyd, and then only convert it to toekomende tyd. So if you take it back to the present tense, it's gonna say ouma lees vir haar kleinkinders 'n storie. Okay, so then if you are now going to take it directly to the toekomende tyd, it's gonna say ouma sal vir haar kleinkinders 'n storie lees. As easy as that. Okay,